Hey YouTube, what is up? Dylan back here, also known as Smudger Relay Productions, and today we have an eBay haul, or I should say, an eBay, actually I'm not trying to show the address, so here's that. Hold on, let me just cover up the address. Look, it's from eBay, and we are gonna be opening it today. So let's get my keys and start opening. God damn it, hold on. Oh, hope I didn't show the address. God damn it. Alright, got it open. Uh-oh. Don't want to knock that down. Alright. Let's move this out of the way and pull out the first item. As you can probably tell, it is a wooden railway Oliver. Now, I already have one of these, as you saw in some other videos probably. This one is in very bad shape, but I'm most likely gonna wind up turning this into a scrap custom of Oliver, or the scrap Oliver. So yeah, that's pretty cool. There's Oliver. Put him over there. Next up, we have one from my childhood. It is Butch. Butch the Breakdown Vehicle. My probably favorite childhood episode that he appeared in has to be Hori Lori. That's just so memorable. But yeah, here's Butch. He's got a magnet, so he can pull trains, trucks, or whatever you want him to pull. Even cargo, but that's Butch. Next up, we have a second wooden railway Harvey. Now, if you see my Edison video, you already know that I already have one of these, and it is right here. So, would you look at that? I now own 2 wooden railway Harveys. So that's pretty neat. Alright, next up we have this red boy. And it is Arthur. Yes, sir. As you've seen by my Spotless Record remake, I was using the take-along one because I haven't owned the wooden railway one, but now I do. And how cool is that? He is very dinged up on the back, but that's kind of unfortunate. But other than that, he looks smart. I'm sure James would be upset at him, because he might be even more shinier than James. Who knows? Alright, we got 2 more, and they're together. Alright. We have... Here is, a wooden railway Trevor. And I actually owned this as a child, but now I finally have one again. And I have this take-along Trevor that I got a while back. So yeah, now I have both of these guys. So that's pretty cool. And then the final item is George the Steamroller. And who doesn't love George? I actually got this George because my original one broke. Here it is. This is my childhood one from 2019. Oh, hold on. Where did his face go? I can't find where his face went at the moment, guys, but yeah, that's the George. But yeah, here is everything that I got. By the way, Oliver and Arthur were in their own lot together, and then these 4 came in a lot together. They just happened to all come from the same seller, so it was all in one packaging. So yeah, that was my unboxing video of my 6 new Wonder Railway characters. There will be more unboxing videos coming soon, and stay tuned for that, and peace out, guys.